After the fertilization, the post-fertilization stages are takes place. These post-fertilization stages are development of embryo, development of endosperm, formation of seed and seed coat. In the development of embryo is called as a embryogenesis. In the embryogenesis, the first male gamete is fused with the egg to form a zygote. And this zygote undergoes irregular division. The smaller cell is called as a apical cell and a large cell is called as a basal cell. These are called apical basal pattern. The apical cell developed into embryo and basal cell developed into radicle. The apical cell, it consists large amount of cytoplasm and basal cell consists the large amount of vacuole. The basal cell undergoes division to form 7 to 10 cell called as a suspensor, which is a filament-like structure which provide the nutrition to the developing embryo. In the embryogenesis, the 4 stages are takes place. The first stage, that is the ground stage. In the ground stage, the apical cell undergoes first vertical division, later on 2 transverse division to form 8 cell. These 8 cell is converted into globular cell and globular cell is converted into triangular embryogenesis. This is called as a radial pattern. A triangular pattern, the outermost layer is a single layer is called as protoderm. These protoderm give rise to ectoderm. Below to the protoderm, the ground tissues are present. These ground tissue produces endoderm. And below to this, procambium is present. These procambium. Second stage is hard stage. In the hard stage, the rapid growth of cell division takes place. In this stage, bilateral symmetry is found. Here, the cotyledon is produces. In the center, apical meristem is present, which developed into shoot. In the embryogenesis, there are 3 regions: apical region, middle region, and hypophysis region. Next stage, that is torpedo stage. In this stage, the cell elongation takes place. The cotyledons are grow and apical meristem is present. Mature stage. In this stage, the complete development of embryo takes place. These cotyledon showing the folding structure, which is covered by a seed. In monocot embryo, single cotyledon present at terminal position and plumule at the lateral position. The single cotyledon is shielded with scrotulum. The plumule is protected by coleopetalae and a radicle is protected by coleorhiza.